What's up, my friends? How are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. This video I'm talking about you the StormX. What's the next target of StormX? What's the current status of StormX in the cryptocurrencies market? So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel, because this video as I made on the basis of high research. I researched on the StormX on Google, on Twitter, and after that I decided to make a video for my subscriber, for my viewers. Now let's start the video. As you can see here, if you don't subscribe, so please subscribe for more this kind of latest news and updates, which is very important for all of you. First of all, the current status of the StormX, as you can see here, now they're in the jumping mode. Let's see the next target of StormX, what's change goes and the StormX in the future, friends. The StormX future is a very bright, as you can see here. If you look, the average change occurred in the last window and the StormX coin, so the average change is about 5.87% change occurred in StormX in the last window. The high price of StormX is about $0.06732 USD dollar is the high price of StormX in the previous last one difference. Now how can we detect the next target of the StormX? It is very easy for all of you. If you detect it, I'm trying my best. As you can see here, that is the angle in which StormX move upward. So friends, as you can see here, that is a small a very difficult, very complex procedure so in the StormX at this time, friends. Now as you can see here, after they take a jump, and after a jump they again falls down, take a jump, falls down, take a jump, falls down. That is the procedure of the StormX, and that is the pattern of the StormX travel. This pattern, the StormX starts their traveling in this period, friends. So friends, if we look the next target, if they goes in this process, if they goes in this line, so there is a jumping occur in the StormX. They move upward, move upward, move upward, but they take a time by moving upward, friends. As you can see, the change occur in the positive. So if they continues this kind of changes in the future, so maybe they goes very high, friends. So the next target is a pumping. They goes upward in the coming soon days, friends. So there is a good jump in pump occur in StormX. Please hold, if you're a holder of StormX, that's a good news for all of you. Please hold your StormX coin with the last of this month, and make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and update about cryptocurrency market. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you agree with me, so please like this video.